If you have never logged in to Pearson Realize before, this is what you're going to see. It's 3 simple steps. All you need to do is scroll down to the first one, choose your preferred language. It's set as default to English. You only have to click here if you want to change it to Spanish. Okay. Pick a profile icon. Okay. You can pick whichever one you want. Pick a background image. Again, pick whichever one you want. You can click preview to see what it looks like, but you do not have to. And then you're going to click let's go. Okay, as soon as you do that, you're going to see classes where you can click on classes and see upcoming assignments. Okay, if you click back on here, you will see the main menu again. If you click on your picture at the top, you can go back and change your language, your profile image, or your profile picture if you would like.